The lion dance is a treasured symbol of Chinese culture, representing the power to ward off evil and attract good fortune. By learning this ancient art, you're not just mastering dance movements, you're connecting with centuries of cultural heritage and embracing the values of discipline, teamwork, and respect. This experience fosters strong collaboration, unity, and a deep understanding of cultural traditions. We welcome everyone, from beginners to experienced dancers, to join us in carrying this tradition forward. We also have a limited number of free classes available. If you're interested, please register to secure your spot and be a part of this meaningful journey.